Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to turn off big picture mode on Steam. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. Okay? So first of all, you want to open your Steam, and after you've done that, just go ahead and click on Escape on your keyboard, and this should pop up. Okay? So just go ahead and click on Power. And now you can see the exit big picture mode option. So just go ahead and click on that. And now as you can see that the big picture mode is now turned off. And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.